Hello students, today we'll let you know how to fill the first page of your board answer book, that is known as OMR answer sheet. The first page have so many details, but before entering any details you have to check that the number of pages mentioned at the top, the same number of pages should be inside. There should be no page torn in between. If it is so, just make a exchange with the invigilator in the class, because if you started writing and in between you found something that one or two pages are missing or torn, then it will count it as UFM case. So it is very important to check that your answer book have number of pages which is printed at the top. For suppose here it is mentioned 20 pages. Here how many? 20 pages. Generally 20 pages answer sheet will be given for the subject which are having less than 50 marks. For suppose if you are having any additional subject or skill subject which is less than 50 marks, you will get a 20-page answer book. The first thing you have to check, a seal will be there. You just open that seal and count the number of pages. The number of pages will be there at the top. You just have to say that no pages should be missing and the total number of pages are correct at the whatever printed at the top. Then total you will have 15 minutes to fill this answer book. So take time and fill it correctly. First, check your admit card. You should have your admit card before writing anything subject. Or suppose we'll start with this one. This is subject. As you are aware, the first exam, if you talk about the first exam, that your first exam is Hindi course A. So you will write Hindi course A. You have to write it like Hindi course A full. Not only Hindi, you will write whatever it is written in your admit card. Hindi course A. Then code that is written, subject code, that is for Hindi it is 002. Day and date of the examination. Again sorry, but so first day is there. So which date is there? That you know which date is there on 2nd. So suppose you are having on Tuesday. You will write Tuesday. Then you can write the date. Date is 21. So you will write 21/02/2024. It is 2024, so don't confuse in that one. Then medium of answering the paper. So of course the Hindi paper. So you will write it Hindi. Otherwise, in all the subject you will write it English. Medium of answering the paper, either you are writing a mathematics paper, either you are writing a English paper, SST paper, you will write medium English. Whenever you are writing a Sanskrit paper, suppose you are not anyone having Sanskrit, you will write medium of answering the paper Sanskrit. Now this is very important. If we talk about code number, generally code number is mentioned at the top. If we will show you that one, how the code number is written there. See, like this, T/1/1. So like this at the top of a question paper. Here also you have to write the roll number also, that you will write your roll number here. And here also 30/1/1. 30/1/1. And the most important part, you will oval this one. You have to use, of course, you have to use blue pen for writing all the things. Now, number of supplementary books, this is at the last part. If suppose you are taking +1, 2, or if you are not taking anything, then you can write nil at the last. This is the last part. This has to be done at the last. Keep this one important part. This has to be done at the last. Then, if you are not having any disability, so you will write no. Then you can write slash. Whether writer provided, if you are not using any writer, you will write no. Here also you can put slash. Now, most important part will come when you are filling the OMR, especially your roll numbers and the name. Suppose if your name start, if your start is Rahul Joshi, suppose, so you will write RAHUL. After your first name, you will leave this column blank, and again you will write JOSHI. In between, if you are having a middle name also, again the same way you will proceed. Now that is very important part. Again, just put a dot before ovaling this part. See, suppose this R is there, so what I will do, first I will do a dot here, R, okay, then it is correct, then only you will do this R, then it's A, then you will have H, mark it H. So R is there, so first R you will properly in the same line, properly in this, with put a dot and then do this one, marking like this, fully over with your blue pen, R, then it is again A. Don't be in hurry, otherwise most of your time you will make mistake in that one. Then you will put H, properly H, then again check U. See what mistakes maybe do, then you can make a column of the same. So put a dot first, check it properly, the same line, because symmetry is there. Then you have 15 minutes, so you do it properly, then you will have L, okay, like this you will do. Now again what will happen, now again this has to be left blank. Many times we have observed that generally a student fill this part also, so keep this thing in mind, this has to be left. If any mistake you have done, just cut it here, you can, but you cannot, you not use whitener or eraser, you cannot use. So it has to be very careful when you are filling this one. Now you will fill this one with J, then you will fill it with O, just check where is O, then mark oval it, put a dot if you want, then S, H, then I. Again I am telling it, when you are doing the whole, see that it should be very correct. Put a mark first, do with the pencil if you want, and then you can mark it with a pen. So it's on you also. Now again roll number wise also it has to be very important. Suppose if your roll number is 2, 5, 1, 4, 8, 7, 5, 3, then we will fill it with 2, then again you will darken this part, 5, 1, 4, 8, 7, 5, and then 3. So again this is very important, how to fill your roll number, like 2, 5, 1, 4, 8, 7, 5, 3 something. Again subject code, whatever subject code you have here, we have your subject code as 0, 0, 0, 0, okay. Then center number, whatever center number you have, you can fill that part also. Your center number is 8, 5, 4, 2, 7, 2. So that way 8, again same process, 5, 4, fill part 2, 7, 2. Subject, again you will write full subject what you have written at the top, Hindi. Again your school number, our school number is 81164. Roll number in words, again you have everything, please don't do two mistakes there. It is already written there, 2 crore 51 lakh 80,000. Everything is written in your admit card, so don't make spelling mistake. And at the last it is, if suppose 753 like this, then whatever the father name you have to write your father name, what is written in your admit card. Suppose if it is written that in KD Joshi, then you write KD Joshi, whatever. If it is in short form, write in short form. It is full name, it is right, should write your father's name in full. Whatever father's name you have on your admit card, you will write that part. Now signature of the candidate, it should be same what you have done in your admit card. If you have done in your admit card, so you should write your full name like that in running hand, in the same way, whatever you have done, okay, whatever you have used in the, and nothing you have to do any other places. And please see that if you write your roll number except at this place or any other place, if you are writing your name, revealing your identity, you will be counted under the case of UFM, unfair means. Then you will be called to Dehradun, and so many other things may be possible. You will be barred from the examination. So best part is there that at the required place only you will write your roll number. If you take any supplementary seat, there is a one slip is there, maybe of any color, pink color or yellow color. There only at the required place only you can write your roll number. Other than that, nowhere you will write your identity, your phone number or any other thing. Otherwise, it will be counted as UFM. So you have 15 minutes to fill this type, this your OMR sheets. It's very important. Take it seriously and utilize your 15 minutes properly for this purpose, so that you not do mistakes. Still, if you have any confusion, you can ask the invigilator present there. They will help you out. Okay, all the best. Thank you. God bless you.